Hey guys, and this tutorial is going to teach you how to make a flood in Roblox using scripting. And before we start the video, I want to apologize for the lower quality than usual because I am filming my laptop with a phone. But don't worry, the editing will still be good. So, first step, of course, is to add a part. So you can resize it and change the color to blue or red if you're making lava, but for convenient purposes, I'm not going to. But of course, how you can make it as big and as blue as you want. Then we're gonna insert a script into the water. I'm gonna show how to do it like the water raises infinitely, and if you don't want to do that, you should still watch, and you can just modify the code a little bit to make it so that it comes at certain times. So for infinite water, put while wait, and then put 0.1 inside the parentheses, and then put do. Now put script.parent, which means the thing that the script is inside of, which in this case is the water. Then put cframe. I'm going to explain what that is in a second. Then put an equal sign and repeat the same thing, except put plus vector3 dot new parentheses 0, 3, 0. I'll explain why. So cframe means the position and orientation, which means rotation, combined, which basically means the exact same properties of a part. Now, the reason we put script.parent.cframe equals script.parent.cframe again is because we want to get that CF-frame, but we can't just say that CF-frame. We gotta actually assign it to the computer because it doesn't know what the exact CF-frame is. Now, the reason there's a 3 in the middle is because it goes X, Y, and Z, the CF-frame, and Y means up and down, meaning that it will move 3 studs up every single second, 0.1 seconds. But if you want it to be more smoother, I recommend 1. Okay, just put 1, don't put 3. If you're still watching, you should probably subscribe and put any questions in the comments. Peace.